Okay, so first way taking list as input is, okay, you take like you take an integer as an input. Okay, I would say like to enter the number of elements in the list. Okay, here somebody will give some number, so I'll say for I in range 0 comma n, 0 comma n. Okay, and then I would say a equal to input. Okay, now what I will do after this, how do I add it to a particular, like I'll create a list, empty list here. Okay, now what I will do, I will append this to, append the value which you just entered into my list. Okay, right? This you did you understand this? This code, did you understand? Okay. So now when I run this, what will happen? It will ask me to enter the number of elements. So I will say 4. Okay. Now when I enter, what happened? String and okay, I have to make it into integer. Somebody is saying something here. Ma'am, you are not sharing screen. I am sorry, but I am sharing my screen. Nobody is able to view it.
No, it's shared to your screen.
Oh, thank you, Nidhi. Okay, so yeah, I have converted into integer, and now let's see. Okay, 4. Now when I gave 4, it is ready to take 4 inputs from me. I will say 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. So now if you just see L, if you just print L, it is containing all my inputs in the form of a list. Okay. This is one way of writing the code. There is another way of writing the code, and that way is, let's say n equal to, and I will say I want a list output, right? I will say list. Okay. What somebody say? Now why did we take a? Like, see, what I'm trying to do is I'm storing whatever value user has entered into a variable a, and that value whatever user entered, I am appending it to my empty list. I mean, like I've created an empty list first. First time when it is coming, it will enter into empty list, and then followed by all the other values. Like when I enter 10, 10 is stored in a first, then it goes and gets stored in the list. Now when I enter 20, in the list 10 is there, in A 20 is there, this 20 I am appending it to the list like that. Got it, Akhila? Why did we take a... Okay. Right. Now what I will do, there is other way wherein I can just write list of, okay, and I will say input. Okay. Now this will do what? Let's execute this and let's see first. Okay, let's execute. 1 second. Now let's say 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's say like this. I'm giving the input. When I enter, now let's see n how it is having the values. Okay, let's execute this. What is it doing? Everything it is splitting. I don't want like this. Now what I do? In strings, okay, input is returning which type of value? String type of values, right? Yes or no? Input returns a string, right? Yes or no? Yes. So now what I do? From this string, I can use a function called as split. S-P-L-I-T, split. Okay? This split function will split this particular string with whatever value you give here. I think I told you this already. I don't know if I really told or not, but I'm telling you again. Okay? I say split and I give a comma. So wherever there is a comma, it will split. Okay? And it will combine it into the form of a list. Okay? Now if you just execute this and I give 10, 20, 30, 40 and then enter. Now if you just run in, you have 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, got it? Understood, everybody? Any questions? Great. Okay, so what else? Anything else we have to discuss, or that's it? Some response. No doubts. Okay. Okay. Everybody, please respond. Whoever is there in the chat, please respond if you have any questions or nothing is there. At least you say you are clear. Okay, great. Awesome then. Fine. That's all from my end, girls. So tomorrow we will start with a small quiz, or maybe we'll end with a small quiz. Tomorrow we are going to have a quiz on all the topics which are covered till now. So hope that everybody is clear. If you have any questions, we are always open for them. Please let us know. If not in today's session, you can also let me know tomorrow. If you want to ask me something, or if you want me to clarify some questions, if you tried something and it did not work, anything, you can reach out to us. We are always there for your help. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Have a great evening. Bye bye.